Welcome back to Neelunco's YouTube channel. In today's video, I would like to talk about email marketing and how you can use email marketing to generate traffic and leads to your business. Before I get into today's video, I would like to remind you to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications to Neelunco's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. So let's talk about email marketing. Email marketing can be a powerful tool to generate traffic to your business, convert that traffic into leads and then to sales. Before you tell me that nobody reads emails these days, please remember that email has been in existence for many years compared to social media platform. And given the changes Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and other apps are going through, we can't rely solely on those social media platforms to generate traffic or generate income for our business. One of the common comments that I get to listen as a marketing coach and as a digital marketing agency owner is that, "Oh Neelu, nobody reads emails these days." But that's not true. We have to remember that people consume content in different ways. Some love watching lengthy YouTube videos. Some love listening to podcasts. Some love short form videos like Reels and TikToks, whereas some of us actually sit down and read an email. So why not try email marketing as well? If you know what email to send, when to send them and how to personalize them, then emails become extremely powerful in converting those leads who are already in your database. Let's say you have an online store. You can use automated emails to generate leads. So whenever someone visits your website for the first time, you can send them a welcome email with a coupon code so that they enter their details in your database. It goes into your database. Then the next thing that you can do is when someone adds items to their shopping cart but they do not finish the purchase, you can send them an automated email reminding them about their abandoned cart and even give an extra coupon code to make sure that they actually finish the purchase. If you have a service business, you can use lead magnets to build your email list. So what are lead magnets? Basically anything that attracts your leads or ideal clients towards your business can be termed as a lead magnet. When I started my coaching business, as a marketing coach, I would ask people to subscribe to my email newsletter, and in return I would give them a freebie. So it would be a free download where I would share 5 or 6 tips on marketing. So depending on the kind of business you have, whether it's a product business or a service oriented business, you can build your email list, you can generate traffic to your website. You can also nurture these leads by regularly sending them emails. Remember to keep your emails more personalized. So at the beginning of your email, instead of saying something like "Dear all," you could actually use their first name and personalize the email so that the reader feels like they are reading an email that you send them personally. There is also list segmentation. So you can divide your list into different segments and make sure that you are sending emails that is relevant to that particular segment. Writing great subject lines can increase the open rate of your emails and staying relevant to your business. Remember, whether it's email marketing or social media, whatever content you're putting out there should provide some kind of value. This value can be educational, it can be something relatable, it can evoke certain kind of emotion in the person who's reading. At Neelunco, we have a weekly email newsletter called Varta Kurippu, which in Malayalam translates to newsletter itself, where we share the latest digital marketing trends. Sometimes we share ads that we love seeing, and we try to understand why certain ads were placed a certain way and learn from other brands and other marketing promotions. Apart from brand awareness, lead generation, nurturing leads, generating traffic to your website and increasing sales and conversions, email marketing is also a great way to build a community around your brand. People love hearing from brands that they love purchasing from. So make sure that your newsletters aren't just promotional, but you're also sharing behind the scenes. You're talking about what are some of the projects that you're working on, and you add a certain personal touch so that they feel like they are reading an email from a friend that they love hearing from. For a solid email marketing strategy, reach out to Neelunco using the contact information given below in the description box. Do remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you so much for being here.